Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I am here with a journal share. This one is a TN style journal. It is 8.5 by 4.5, and I just made her from a bunch of different random papers that I had in my stock. I have so much cardstock, so I thought I'm just going to grab, and whatever I grab, that's what I'm going to make it with. Because otherwise I'll sit there and stare at it and never use it. So, anywho, I just used this image out of my stock and backed it with cardstock and cheesecloth and did some layering right here and used this, I think this is a Tim Holtz little charm hang thing, and I just put some tissue paper in there and that butterfly and put it's not glossy accents, it's called, let me see if I can find it really quick so I can show you. Oh yeah, this stuff. I really like this way better than the glossy accents. I don't know why, but I do. And plus it comes out of the bottle way faster, for sure. And yeah, so that's what I did inside there. And I just added these little charms down here, and this is some vintage lace that I had. And on the spine I used athletic tape and trim, and this is the back, and she has the hard corners on her and some lace as a closure. And she's only she's two signatures, sorry. Yeah. And inside, I'm trying to use up, if I could move this, I would show you guys, but I think I told you before, I have little baskets up there, and it's just crammed with stuff. So I'm trying to use up some of that. And some of it includes these little pockets and stuff that my niece Veronica gave me. And so I just made some pockets out of them and stuck a whole bunch of, hopefully not glued it in there, whole bunch of stuff behind there. I'm trying to load it up in here. But there's two of the little coin envelopes that she gave me, and I have this cute little tag here. And this little cute piece of ephemera from Tsunami Rose. And then I don't know where I got this one, but I put that in there. And Veronica gave me this cute little one, so I tuck it behind. And this one, I love that. I don't know what stamp that is, but I wish she would have gave me that. LOL. Just kidding. So, and I stuck these people, Tim Holtz peeps, right in there. And yeah, that's a little stamp that I made. And I thought it was so cute. I can't remember who I watched make a bunch of stamps, because it's been a while, but I made a bunch of stamps. Stamp looking ephemera. And this is authentic and vintage paper here. And we have a little flip with some layering on top with this little tag there. Sorry about that. My dog wanted in. Here we have a bag. I can't remember where I left off. And it's with a tag that I did a little collaging on. It was a collage tag that I got. Can't remember what Etsy shop, but I just added some washi tape and a topper and sewed around it. This flips out. And authentic vintage map here. And here's another tag that I did some playing on. And here is another little candy bag with a little tag inside. I don't know if I can get it back in there. And then I just tuck these into the little little bottom of the bag right there, like so. And clipped it on there. Some more vintage ephemera. And here's just a paper cluster I made and stamped this Tiffany stamp onto this big tag. This one my niece sent me. And little paper flips there, coffee dyed paper. And I glued this remember right here, and behind I put some extra pieces of paper that you can do some collaging with or journal on. I stuck that back there. And here is a little journaling card that I did some collaging on as well. And a Artie Mae's little ticket, admit one ticket. Another paper cluster, and 2 words to live by pieces of paper behind there. And over here, I just clipped this doily on here, and we have these cute little tags behind on this side. This doily is so cute. My niece sent me these doilies as well. They're just so cute. And so I just clipped them on like that. And on this side, I put this little cluster so it could be put anywhere in the book that you like. But I just tucked that on there. And an Edith Holden envelope that I made. I just sewed some lace on there. Let's see here. Another one of these tags. I can't remember where I got them. I'll look that up and tag and put it in the description below. I'll just go look it up. And back here is a layered flower that my cousin Trina made, and I glued it onto this pocket backed it with some cheesecloth. I don't know if you can see the cheesecloth in there, but it's there. Artie Mae's collage sheet, and I made a big old tag out of it. And here's some more little pieces that my niece sent me, and that is a vintage card inside this one, and then this one, and these 2 little tags. And I just tried to stuff these pockets with a bunch of goodness so I can share the goodness with everyone. Another little cute pocket here, and this little flower sticker. It's a shiny one, but it looks so cute. A vellum sticker I got from Wish, and then I don't know where that one little came from, but I just put that little number there. And this is some vintage dollhouse paper. I got lots of sheets of that. I need to use it up. Maybe I'll start sending a piece here and there out with things. My Siri just came on my iPad. It likes to randomly come on when I don't want it to. And I just made a little pocket here, and I sewed on one of these little Polaroid things from JD, and I will link her shop below as well. And behind is these 2. Is this open? Nope, this one doesn't open. It's just marbled on the back. Sorry, this video is kind of all over the place. I'm sorry about that. iPads, dogs, all that good stuff. I think this is Artie Mae's as well. Pretty sure of it. I'm not positive. Don't quote me on that one, because I'm not sure. Another little cluster there. And a vintage book page. And over here, another little pocket with one of those flower stickers from Wish. A little tea card, Artie Mae's tag. And these little tags. This one I sewed onto coffee dyed paper. And I kind of wanted the stripe one to actually show on the edge a little, so I don't tuck it all the way in there. Over here is another paper cluster, and I have a little tuck spot right there with that. And these journaling cards, another one of these little Polaroids, and they're so cute. And I just added a little Tim Holtz saying right there, and this is a Tim Holtz playing card, or photo card, sorry. A little tabby. Over here, another paper cluster. I love making these, and I have like this huge box worth of snippets of paper. So I just made a whole bunch of them. Another one of those. Whole bunch, like a whole bin full over here. This is a little fabric swatch with a couple different little pieces of fabric on there. I just tucked that. I can't remember who I watched do that either, but those were so fun and cute. And over here we have... Oh, I was pulling on the wrong one. Another little tuck spot here with... My thing fell off. Oh my goodness, I'll have to fix that. With some little ephemera tucks in here. And then... a little booklet I sewed together, a bunch of pages, dreams and goals. I think this is already May's. And I just added that little quote right there and some vintage tickets. And in here we have a little booklet of cutoffs and a tag that I made, backed with coffee dyed paper, little butterfly pocket, some more of the vintage dollhouse, vintage book page, and another bunch of little coin envelopes. Oh my goodness, I'm losing my words. I got interrupted in my videos, so now I've lost my train of thought. I love that little card. And then this one goes behind here. And this one goes inside. And then this little guy goes right there. And we had dangles down here, but one of them fell off, so I'm going to have to fix it. And they're so cute. I'm so bummed I just ripped or broke it. But that is this little cutie patootie. And she is available. And if you are interested, I will link my Facebook below. And you can send me a message and I will give you the information on her after I fix her. Since I broke it. And yes, thank you so much for watching. Sorry this was like a kind of a mixed up video, but thank you so much for sticking through it if you're still here, and I hope you all stay safe and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.